In this tutorial I will show you how to make your Android ring like an iPhone. If you want to give your Android phone an iPhone-like ringtone, follow these simple steps. First, open the Google Chrome app on your device. In the address bar, type iPhone ringtone and hit search. Scroll through the search results and tap on any link that looks like it offers iPhone ringtones. Once you're on the site, browse through the available options and select the ringtone you like. Once you've chosen the ringtone, click on the download button. It will take a few seconds to download, and once it's done, the ringtone will be saved to your device. Next, open the Settings app on your Android phone. Scroll down and tap on Sounds and Vibration. Now, tap on the ringtone option to change your phone's ringtone. At the top of the screen, you'll see a plus icon or an option to add a new ringtone. Tap on it. Look for the ringtone you just downloaded, select it, and tap Done. Now, your Android phone will ring with the iconic iPhone ringtone. You'll hear it every time you get a call. And that's it. You've successfully made your Android ring like an iPhone.